Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to a story of vision, perseverance, and an unwavering commitment to service. The story of the Noor Fatma Memorial System, Lahore, Pakistan. At its heart stands the Fatma Memorial Hospital, a name familiar to many, a place that has been intertwined with both moments of joy and sorrow, with countless stories of human emotion. Yet, few know the history of personal bereavement from which this institution was born. It takes us back to 1917 when Maulvi Ferozuddin, a distinguished scholar and the founder of the Feroz Sons legacy, suffered an unimaginable personal loss. His beloved wife, Kaniz Fatma, tragically passed away during childbirth, giving birth to their 9th child. This heartbreaking event occurred due to a severe lack of medical facilities. Out of this personal grief, a legacy was born. In 1944, Maulvi Ferozuddin established Pakistan's first Muslim trust, the Feroz Sons Trust, with an initial endowment along with all proceeds from his books and his publishing business to ensure that others would not suffer the same fate as his wife. The fulfillment of Maulvi Ferozuddin's vision came to life in 1971, when his son Dr. Abdul Wahid and his daughter-in-law Begum Saida Wahid took up the mantle of giving back to the nation. They generously donated their life savings to build a hospital dedicated to the care of women and children. Dr. Abdul Wahid, a visionary scholar and one of the first people from the subcontinent to obtain a PhD from the University of London, was not only a scholar and a publisher, he was also a philanthropist. His wife, Begum Saida Wahid, a passionate freedom fighter in the Pakistan movement, was a force of nature in her own right. Often known as the Margaret Sanger of Pakistan, she founded the Family Planning Association of Pakistan in 1953. In 1977, she set up the 200-bedded Fatma Memorial Hospital for Women and Children, which soon became a market leader in gynecology and pediatrics, based on a stellar team of clinicians as well as administrative staff.
अस्पताल चल पड़ा माशाल्लाह। 1977 में इनॉग्रेट किया गया और हम लोगों को उस ज़माने में प्रॉब्लम होती थी क्योंकि बाकी सारे अस्पताल जो थे वो सरकारी थे और सरकार से प्राइवेट सेक्टर या नॉट फॉर प्रॉफिट सेक्शन में बहुत कम लोग आना चाहते थे। लेकिन क्योंकि रेपुटेशन अच्छी थी इसलिए वी वो वेरी लकी कि कुछ लाहौर के जो बहुत बड़े बड़े नाम थे, उनमें गायनेकोलॉजिस्ट भी थे, पीडियाट्रिशियंस थे, फिजिशियन थे, वो सारे आने शुरू हो गए। ये सिलसिला चलता रहा और हॉस्पिटल आहिस्ता आहिस्ता 200 बेड से एक्सपैंड करके तकरीबन 350-400 बेड पे पहुंच गया।
In line with Maulvi Ferozuddin's vision, Fatma Memorial Hospital continues to provide quality health care to rich and poor alike, regardless of their ability to pay. Over 80% of patients are treated either free or at highly subsidized rates. By 2024, the hospital had spent over 5.32 billion rupees in free or subsidized healthcare of over 1 crore patients, channeling all revenues from private patients back into the benevolence fund and continuing to rely on the generosity of philanthropists, including the founding family. In 1977, Begum Wahid laid the foundation for the Fatma Memorial Hospital School of Midwifery and soon after the FMH School of Nursing. For her profound contributions to the nation, Begum Saida Wahid was honored with the Tehreek-e-Pakistan Award in 1959, the Gold Medal of the Pakistan Movement Workers' Trust in 1999, and the President of Pakistan's Lifetime Achievement Award in 2002. In 2001, a debilitating stroke left Begum Saida Wahid completely paralyzed and unable to move or speak, leading to her demise in 2005. But in 1984, she had already brought in her daughter, Mrs. Shahima Tariq Rahman, into a leadership position, thus ensuring that the founding family's legacy of service and compassion would continue. In line with the philanthropic Islamic principle of giving up to 1/3 of one's personal assets and upholding the legacy of her grandfather Maulvi Ferozuddin and her parents, Dr. Abdul Wahid and Begum Saida Wahid, Mrs. Shahima Tariq Rahman also continues to be one of the single largest donors of the Noor Fatma Memorial System today. The diversification and expansion of Fatma Memorial Hospital into the Noor Fatma Memorial System as it stands today was essentially led by Mrs. Shahima Tariq Rahman. Armed with a master's degree in public administration and a passionate resolve to serve the nation, Mrs. Rahman joined Fatima Memorial Hospital as Director Development in 1984. Recognizing the acute need for healthcare and education at the doorstep of the underprivileged communities, Mrs. Rahman founded the Noor Community Outreach Program in 1984, which by the grace of God functions today in 7 peri-urban communities in and around Lahore and has provided healthcare to over 500,000 patients and has educated over 24,000 children. The Fatima Memorial Hospital was recognized by the College of Physicians and Surgeons of Pakistan, the CPSP, in 1995 as a training hub for postgraduate training of clinicians in multiple fields. By 2024, Fatima Memorial Hospital had trained over 800 postgraduate trainees in medical and dental specialties. Mrs. Rahman had realized that it would become an uphill battle for Fatima Memorial Hospital to remain in a position to provide subsidized healthcare to the masses unless the organization could expand in a way which would be financially and operationally sustainable.
बोर्ड से एक प्लान हमने बनाया कि जी इसको सिर्फ ख़वातीन और बच्चों का अस्पताल न रहे, इट शुड बी ए फुल रिसोर्स हेल्थ रिसोर्स फॉर मेन, वुमेन एंड चिल्ड्रन। एक और फिर प्रपोजल था, सम ऑफ द बोर्ड मेंबर्स हैड प्रपोज्ड कि जी हम यहाँ लाहौर इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ फर्टिलिटी एंड एंडोस्कोपी सेटअप करेंगे। उस पे मुझे ये जवाब था कि जी ये कम्युनिटी हॉस्पिटल है जो हमारे मुल्क की ज़रूरियात, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोगों की ज़रूरियात पे बेस होके ये बना है, ऑर्गेनिक नीड्स पे बना है ये। तो एक कम्युनिटी की नीड्स के लिए तो देयर वाज मोर ए नीड टू हैव समथिंग एल्स। फॉर विच आई ब्रॉट अप द प्रपोजल कि यहाँ हम हॉस्पिटल को मेन, वुमेन एंड चिल्ड्रन करें, अपग्रेड करें और इसको एक बाकायदा मेडिकल और डेंटल कॉलेज के लिए तैयार किया जाए, जिसकी उस वक्त में प्राइवेट कॉलेजेस में ये सबसे फर्स्ट अर्लीस्ट में से था कि जो फीसें आएंगी वो इंस्टीट्यूशन को आगे चलाने के लिए हम यूज़ कर सकते हैं। मुश्किल से बोर्ड ने मानी, लेकिन उस वक्त प्रोफेसर डॉक्टर शौकत रज़ा हमारे साथ हुआ करते थे, उनको साथ लिया और हमने डॉक्टर तारिक निश्तर जो कि पेशावर से तशरीफ़ लाए एज एन एडवाइज़र टू द बोर्ड, और उन्होंने फिर सबको मिलके कन्विंस किया कि जी ये वाकई इज़ द राइट वे टू गो।
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। मेरा नाम तारिक रहमान है। पूरी बिल्डिंग तैयार की गई जिसमें पहली इनटेक हमारी प्लान की गई कि 100 बच्चे आएंगे मेडिकल कॉलेज में। फॉर दिस आई विल गिव अ लॉट ऑफ क्रेडिट टू बेगम वहीद। शी वेंट टू इस्लामाबाद, वेंट टू द रेगुलेटरी बॉडी कॉल्ड पाकिस्तान मेडिकल एंड डेंटल काउंसिल। उनसे जाके वर्चुअली 1 हफ्ते में उन्होंने इजाज़त दी कि जी आप चला लें, आपके पास अस्पताल है। उन्होंने आके देखा भी PMDC ने कि बाय स्टार्टिंग अ मेडिकल कॉलेज वी वुड बी एबल टू टेक द फीस फ्रॉम द स्टूडेंट्स और उसी पैसों को हम इस्तेमाल करेंगे फॉर प्रोवाइडिंग फिलैंथ्रोपी और फ्री ट्रीटमेंट टू द पीपल ऑफ दिस एरिया who could not afford to pay for their health cost. I understand that FMHCD was the first institution in Pakistan जिसको के जो allocated CST-75 100% बच्चों के साथ हमने शुरू किया। That was a great beginning. उसके बाद 2001 आया तो किसी ने कहा कि डेंटल कॉलेज, I was the first one to say क्यों नहीं, जब अब समझ आ गई कि मुश्किल काम नहीं है, यू जस्ट हैव टू गेट गुड फैकल्टी। और मकसद ये था, और आई थिंक द कॉन्फिडेंस केम फ्रॉम द फैक्ट दैट वी हैड द नो हाउ, वी हैड द रेपुटेशन ऑफ बीइंग क्लीन, अबव बोर्ड, देयर वर नो स्केलेटन्स इन द कबर्ड, एंड इन 2001 वी स्टार्टेड द डेंटल कॉलेज एंड माशाल्लाह ऑल्सो वी गॉट द allocation for 50 seats and we started with 100% and there was no looking back, mashallah. So that is the story of the medical and dental college.
Today, by the grace of God, the FMH College of Medicine and Dentistry ranks A+ by the Pakistan Medical and Dental Council, while continuing to funnel its proceeds to the Fatima Memorial Hospital, enabling it to serve the underserved, in line with the vision of its founders and in line with the Islamic faith and legacy which remain its hallmark. By 2024, the FMH College of Medicine and Dentistry had, by the grace of God, graduated 2,400 students, achieved 52 positions and 846 distinctions, with our graduates now excelling globally as well as in Pakistan. By 2024, the FMH College of Medicine and Dentistry had awarded scholarships in the amount of 146 million rupees to its students. By now, Mrs. Rahman was an experienced entrepreneur herself. She had not only led the institution for over 2 decades, she had also armed herself with another Global Master of Arts degree, this time from the Tufts University in the United States. In the aftermath of the 2005 earthquake, a stark reality had come to light, where doctors were available, but a clear and apparent gap in allied health professionals was observed. And so, leading from the front once again and supported by dynamic team members, including Colonel Dr. Retired Wajahat Bukhari, Mrs. Rahman founded the FMH Institute of Allied Health Sciences in 2005, which soon became Punjab's first private sector institute of allied health sciences. By the grace of God, this institute continues to achieve multiple positions and distinctions and has graduated several hundred students since its inception who are working globally as well as in Pakistan. In 2005, Mrs. Shahima Tariq Rahman had also realized that unless the critical gap for nurses in the health workforce was addressed immediately, Pakistan would face an insurmountable challenge. It was with this foresight that she and her team led a pioneering initiative to upgrade the FMH School of Nursing into the Saida Waheed College of Nursing, which came into being in October 2007.
तो गवर्नमेंट ने हमें बुलाया करती थी, अब एनुअल जिस वक्त ये बजट बना करता था तो अप्रैल में 2007 में बुलाया कि जी सबको बुलाया स्टेक होल्डर्स को कि कोई यहाँ नर्सिंग की शॉर्टेज को कवर करने के लिए रेडी है टू सेट अप अ कॉलेज ऑफ नर्सिंग. कोई भी नहीं सामने आया, इसलिए कि इट्स अ ह्यूज हेडेक. तो ये सारा एक जान जोखों का काम है, लेकिन मैंने हाथ ऊंचा किया तो उन्होंने कहा अच्छा कर सकते हैं. मैंने कहा ज़रूर कर सकते हैं, बहुत मुश्किल है. यू कॉल अस, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू कॉल यू, लेकिन हम हाजिर हैं, अपने मुल्क के लिए हर वक्त हाजिर हैं. जो कुछ कर सकते हैं हम ज़रूर करेंगे. सो दे डिड कम टू अस. हमने इसकी बाकायदा एक फिर फिजिबिलिटी बना के फिर उनको दी, और वो थी कि पूरी की पूरी जितनी स्पेक्ट्रम नर्सिंग की एजुकेशन एग्जिस्ट करती थी कहीं भी, कोई जगह प्राइवेट और पब्लिक सेक्टर में कहीं भी पाकिस्तान में पूरा स्पेक्ट्रम ऑफ नर्सिंग एजुकेशन नहीं पढ़ाया जा रहा था. हमने पूरे का पूरा विजुअलाइज किया, इसकी एक प्लान बना के दिया, और 2007 की अक्टूबर में, जो कि 27वीं रमज़ान भी था, ये कॉलेज केम इनटू नर्सिंग. दिस वाज द मोस्ट कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव एंड द लार्जेस्ट स्कूल ऑफ इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ नर्सिंग एजुकेशन इन द होल ऑफ साउथ एशिया, जिसमें 20 कहाँ लोग थे और 340 की हमारी इनटेक थी हर साल.
Today, the Saida Waheed College of Nursing has graduated professional nurses contributing at some of the premier institutions nationally as well as internationally. Starting from its first graduating batch, students from SWCon have continued to secure top positions across the board, including 54 university positions and 734 distinctions. The Saida Waheed College of Nursing is honoured to be the top nursing college in Punjab today. With the vision of nurturing lives and building futures, Mrs. Shahima Rahman endowed a substantial sum of her personal assets in establishing the Noor Foundation. The establishment of Noor Foundation happened to coincide with the 2005 earthquake, one of Pakistan's worst natural disasters. Mrs. Rahman mobilized a team of over 80 volunteers to provide medical aid and rehabilitation to the affected communities, working alongside the CMA Chapterbad to rebuild lives. Noor Foundation continues to provide first response services in natural disasters across Pakistan and has set up several medical relief camps across the country as and when needed.
हमें FMH ने चांस दिया कि हम लोग यहाँ पर आ सके और हम ये सब कुछ कर पाए. We've also delivered a baby one day back, तो वो भी एक अचीवमेंट थी. बाकी जो हम लोगों ने मेडिसिन डिस्ट्रीब्यूट की OPD बेसिस पे, वो भी बहुत बड़ी अचीवमेंट थी. तो we're very happy that we could do it and now we're leaving today.
The Noor Foundation was also awarded a certificate of commendation by the Government of Pakistan for their efforts in earthquake relief in 2005. Noor Foundation also set up the Noor Center for Research and Policy (NCRP) in 2008. NCRP acts as the research arm of the Noor Fatma Memorial System. This Noor Center for Research and Policy undertakes evidence-based research to inform policy and reform practice. Noor Foundation is now the umbrella body for the Noor Community Outreach Program, which was founded by Mrs. Rahman in 1984 and now offers an array of services in healthcare, education, microfinance, and vocational training. In line with her vision to build elite grassroots bridges, Mrs. Rahman also established the Noor Student Leadership Program in 1995, which has become one of Pakistan's leading internship programs and attracts national as well as international interns.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Salim Rahman. I'm proud to say that in 1995, I was one of the first interns, along with my friend Ahmed from HSN College, who applied for colleges in the US and were looking to beef up our CV. Within that CV, what better to put than an internship program at a leading hospital in Lahore? So we started what is today NSLP, the Noor Student Leadership Program. We were the two of us, and in that short period of time, over 3 months, हमने पूरी summer record room में time गुजारा. We provided a lot of help to OPD patients जिनको पढ़ना लिखना नहीं आता था, who could not even register themselves with their names, let alone describe कि उनकी disease क्या थी. Ahmed and I sat there and transcribed what is it that they would tell the clinicians so that उनकी problem resolve हो सके. Not only did we get into good colleges, but we started what was undoubtedly an avalanche of students for the years to come.
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। मेरा नाम शहीमा तारिक रहमान है एंड आई एम द चेयरपर्सन ऑफ द नूर फातिमा मेमोरियल सिस्टम। नूर इंटरनेशनल यूनिवर्सिटी जो थी उसका कंसेप्चुअलाइज तो जब हमारा कॉलेज ऑफ मेडिसिन और डेंटिस्ट्री बन गया तो उस वक़्त मेरे दिल में आया कि देखिए कि हमने कॉलेज भी बनाया। ये मैं जब एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर थी एट फातिमा मेमोरियल में बैठती थी तो जब इंटरव्यू लेती थी बच्चों के, आई फेल्ट कि मेडिकल कॉलेज भी हमें एक होना चाहिए और उसके अलावा जो ये पढ़ के आते हैं वो सिलेबस, वो सारी चीज़ें, तो एक यूनिवर्सिटी होनी चाहिए जो सारी दुनिया में से लेके एक पार्टनरशिप्स करके, कोलैबोरेशंस करके हम वो निसाब पढ़ाएं जो एक इंटरनेशनल लेवल का हो। Noor International University began with a purposeful vision that is deeply rooted in the values of stewardship, our own personal, our national identity, our identity as stewards, and global excellence. My goal was to foster leaders who would make a meaningful impact, not just within Pakistan, but on the global stage as well. NIU, as I envisioned it, would be more than a mere academic institution. It would be the center of leadership grounded in the principles of stewardship and Khilafat, vicegerency, and inspired by the timeless teachings of our founding fathers, Allama Muhammad Iqbal and Qaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. फरमाते हैं इकबाल कि दयार इश्क में अपना मुकाम पैदा कर, नया ज़माना नई सुबह शाम पैदा कर, मेरा तरीक अमीरी नहीं फकीरी है, खुद ही न बेच गरीबी में नाम पैदा कर। फर्द कामिल होता है, उसमें 3 क्वालिटीज़ होती हैं, that they are obedient to God and they are very committed. वो कहीं गलतियाँ नहीं करते, कोशिश करते हैं कि एक सीधे रास्ते पे रहें, and then they become stewards, vicegerents, जो कि फिर फर्द कामिल होता है। फिर अल्लाह कहता है कि मैं तुम्हारे कान बनता हूँ, आंखें बनता हूँ, जो काम करते हो वो मैं गाइड करता हूँ, उसका वादा है। इंशाल्लाह आई होप एंड प्रे कि इन द फ्यूचर हमारा ये सारा सिस्टम ऐसा होगा और ऐसी तालीम, तरबियत और खिदमत खल्क के मराकज़ होंगे कि पूरी दुनिया से लोग आएंगे, न सिर्फ पाकिस्तान में, पूरी दुनिया में मकबूल होंगे इंशाल्लाह।
Is the story of the Noor Fatma Memorial System. I am one of the co-founders of Noor Foundation and also the great-granddaughter of Maulvi Ferozuddin, the founder of the Feroz Sons Trust, which is the legacy from which emerged the Noor Fatma Memorial System. And I am also the granddaughter of Dr. Abdul Waheed and Begum Saida Waheed. And I am blessed to be the daughter of Mrs. Shahima Tariq Rahman and Mr. Tariq Rahman. Now, it is up to you to become part of this story or write your own story. Thank you for listening.